Now, talking of people in prison, you must have heard about this 22-year-old musician, Yaya Sharif Aminu, in prison in Kano, waiting for death by hanging for blasphemy. Now, the young man was tried in a Sharia court, and was found guilty of saying something in his song that sounded as if he elevated an imam of his brotherhood, Muslim brotherhood, above Prophet Muhammad. It is like a Yoruba musician singing the praise of Bola Tinubu in a way that is above Obafemi Awolowo. Now that is death sentence. You should be sentenced to death for that. or like when supporters of Zik of Africa or the Megwemeko Juku hear young people, young boys of nowadays singing holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. You feel like, damn, these kids should be sentenced to death by hanging. So Kano Sharia Court said that he should appeal, but they are not letting him meet with his lawyers. How is he going to appeal? And time is running out. Meanwhile, the great governor of Kano State is ready to sign his death warrant. Look at the headline. Look at it. Can you imagine that? In Africa. Yeah. He said he can't wait. He cannot wait for a minute to sign the death warrant. Look at this Business Day newspaper cartoon that captured Governor Ganduje's holiness. Look at it. Yep, that is Sharia law for you. It has been used to punish poor people since 419 AD. I'm going to talk about this matter of blasphemy and killing for God and killing in the name of God, but I'm an ordinary infidel. You know, I don't know anything about Sharia law, which, if you think about it, is the only qualification that I have to talk about things that I talk about here, not knowing anything. I only changed my mind because Shehu Shagari's grandson warned those of us who are not Muslims not to put our dirty mouth into the matter like this. Look at the headline now. Now, if you ask me who is Shehu Shagari, I know you were born beyond after the 90s. Anyway, but as an African, and I believe that we were Africans before Islam and Christianity arrived in the continent. So as an African, we believe that as a people, whatever law you want to govern your affairs must be applied equally to both the rich and the poor, the weak and the strong, the Ganduje and the Gandola alike. Otherwise, the law is unfair. And an unfair law is an unfair mandate from the gods. Sasha! Tweet that out. Now, I'm sure there is something Sharia law said about collecting bribe, violating public trust, and indirectly contributing to a contractor doing a poor job that could lead to the death of people in Kano. Oh yeah, there must be something that Sharia law said about such corruption. How could a man caught on tape committing such a crime be so eager to sign the death warrant of a 22-year-old man who just sang a song in praise of his favorite preacher? Hi, Nsubanago, problem solved. Diasporan family, do you live abroad and have an errand that you want someone to carry out for you in Nigeria? What is it? What is it? Do you want someone to deliver food items to your family and friends? Do you need someone to run to your university to pick up a transcript for you? What is it? Do you want to buy land and want someone to inspect the land and confirm that it actually exists? Whatever errand you want can now be taken care of without any hassles. Introducing Help Me Waka. The reliable and trusted people of Help Me Waka will gladly run any errand for you in Nigeria. Go to their website, helpmewaka.com, and register. You will see a wide range of services that they offer. No more giving out money for one thing and someone will use the money for another thing. No more fear that the one that was supposed to buy food items for your loved ones has used the money to marry a second wife. It happens. It happens. Now, run to Help Me Waka. Register and order. And the good people of Help Me Waka will take care of the rest. When you are checking out, use the promo code DOCTOR and they will give you a $5 discount. I asked them if they could take buy Ghetto Taba, ground tobacco, and I gave it to my grandpa. And they said yes. And that was when I said, now them be the real deal. Help Me Waka.